Hello and welcome back on this channel. First of all, I just want to thank you for the support offered by subscribing, and for those who have not subscribed yet, you can do it right now. I've been using A50 for a month and I can make a few remarks on it. Samsung A50, it's a phone that personally impressed me by bringing a good phone at a somehow fair price. Anyway, I expect the price to drop and then it will be a best buy this year. It looks like it's a great hype with this phone, and it's got something new, fresh and futuristic features like the in-display fingerprint. We have a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen, perfect to watch movies and spend time on internet. The colors are vibrant, warm, and the videos look superb. The fact that it comes only with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, I find it as a little minus. They could easily bring a Gorilla Glass chinch just because on the back they just put plastic. But this stunning blue color, it makes him to look more premium. The phone comes with Android 9 and the processor is an Exynos 9610 on 10 nanometers and copes with the latest games or applications. I have seen it has no problem in running the latest games even with graphics and details and maximum. In rest, the phone moves very fast, it changed fast between the apps and it did not get stuck at all. The One UI system is very well optimized, which personally makes the difference between choosing a phone from Samsung to others. The camera is something that can be improved and I hope it will be better for future updates. During shooting, it tends to blur and focus harder. It also shoots only on full HD at 30 frames per second, and with a triple camera and those sensor can make a lot more. The front camera is in her place and is doing the job properly. I'm glad it has audio jack, but we do not have stereo speakers, so we'll be happy with the decent sound. The connectivity part works without any problems on Wi-Fi and 4G also. What I'm glad about is the 4000 mAh battery with a quick charge on 15 watts. In the charging test against S10 Plus, I was amazed at how quickly it came out and managed to charge the battery just 7 minutes after S10 Plus. You can click on that charging test video in the description of this video. The main attraction, the fingerprint sensor, did not impress me as I wanted. It has something new in the screen, but it could be faster. The actual update did not make a big change. It's hard to modify the software if hardware is not made to be fast. We will see through future updates if Samsung will do it faster, and maybe we can see a change in that triple camera. So thank you for your attention. I hope you like this short review after using A50 for a month. And do not forget to continue to support this channel by subscribing. So thank you.